Hello guys, so welcome and welcome back to Python Basics. We are still on operators. So it's part 3 of Python Basics operators. So now in this video we are going to talk about the membership operators. It's by the name it says the membership. That means the membership operators they are used to check if a value or a variable is a member of a sequence. A sequence is like a list, a string, a dictionary, a set, or a tuple. So among the sequence I just listed, the only one we have tackled is the string. So we are going to use that to check. And probably I'll use the list because I introduced it. I introduced the list on the in the previous operators video. So on part of list, tuples, dictionary sets, we're going to tackle them on data structures. Basically, let's first define a list and a string and call this string get. So we are going to use the membership in which returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. If a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. That means we can check, for example, if b, for example, if b in name print yes, let me not introduce the if, let me just print b in name. Let's print that. It says true because b it's in the sequence string. We have the b there. So what about we say z? It's going to print false. Sorry, I didn't save false. So the same thing. So if you are checking b in the name, so we can also check it here. If b not in name, not in name means it's not in the sequence like that. So this is true and false because b not in name, it's already there, so it's supposed to print false because b is already there. So when you use z not in name, it's going to print true. So both will be true like that. So we can try this on list 1 2 3. You can check if let's see the difference here. Let's see this. We're checking if 2 in the list. So if 2 is in the name, that means we are getting true. If 2 not in name, we are getting false. 2 is already in the name. So not in, it's just checks if the value is not in. They just work the same. So you just need to understand the output of the two membership operators. So in checks if the value exists in the if value 2 exists in the list. If it exists, it prints true. Here, not in checks if value 2 is not in the list name, but 2 is already there. So if because 2 is already in the list, it's supposed to print false because it's already in the list. So if 2 is not in the list, it's supposed to print true. So you just need to understand the output of the membership operators. That's how they work. So what about if we pass to as a list? What are we going to get? Let's experiment. False, true, because it's a list. We're not checking the list. But if inside here we had something like that inside the list, that's how we will do it. So it's going to give true and false because the list with the true value in it does exist in the list name. So that's how you use the membership operators in your program. So and that's all for membership operators video. So thank you.